Flow Youth Voices for Nature is an innovative youth education and wellbeing program. With regional partnerships and support from Hills Fleurieu Landscape Board Grassroots Grants program, we deliver a series of workshops for senior students at Victor Harbour High School. Students learn how South Australian marine parks help different species and different ecosystems remain connected and functioning well. As well as learning about marine ecosystems, young people take a deep dive into their own connection with nature and explore what that means for them. The ideas that students develop in these workshops are expressed in artwork and in short talks. Students' artworks and short talks will be featured at the South Australian Whales Centre as part of SALA, the South Australian Living Artists Festival. With training and real-world experience at bringing their voices to their community, young people not only raise awareness of marine conservation, but their empowerment improves their own well-being. If you work with young people and you'd like to collaborate with me on projects like this, reach out via the contact page today.